How to play split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. When split screen is available on platforms like PC, Xbox, and PlayStation, it's a different story for Nintendo Switch. On those platforms, you simply connect a second controller, assign it to an account, and start a split screen. Unfortunately, the Nintendo Switch does not support split screen in Fortnite. Even with a secondary controller, be it Joy-Cons or a Pro controller, there is no option to enable a split screen. Why? It's likely due to hardware limitations. The Switch may be or may not be powerful enough to render two players at once. While this is a speculation, it seems plausible. For now, split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch is not possible. So what you can do is maybe on future powerful Switch version could bring this feature. So if this answered your question, please like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.